Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Bumbo, number 2. The first thing I'm going to put in my shaker is the rum, and I'm going to put in 2 ounces of an amber or dark or aged rum, depending on the terminology you use. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. One ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And 1/2 ounce of grenadine. And I do make my own grenadine. Recipes here on the channel if you want to check it out. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 1 dash of nutmeg. And 1 dash is that much. That may be 2 dashes. Moving on, ice in the shaker. And give it a good shake. Now, you can double strain this. As a pirate, I'm going to choose not to double strain, and I'm going to put that in a coupe. There's no official glass for this one. A coupe works nicely, though. Finally, the garnish. I did pre-twist a bit of lemon rind, because I'm not very good at twisting. Garnishes from online are all over the table, usually a lot of fresh fruit, which harkens back to the days of pirates getting their own fresh fruit on the islands. Give that a squeeze, give it a lip, drop it in, and there you have it. Bumbo number 2. Drink with good spirits.